How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply disable or turn off the hit sound in OSU. So if you're the same as I am and you're being annoyed with the hit sound, the way to turn this off is to simply head over to the settings icon. In here, of course, you want to click on audio. Before, basically, there's something like the ignore audio hit sound, but now that isn't showing on our audio setting right here. So basically, to finally turn off the hit sounds in the updated version of OSU, you want to go ahead and mess with the effects. So basically, the effects include the hit sound. And if you want to go ahead and, of course, turn that off, you want to try lowering down into something like 0%. And from there, it will disable all of the sound effects, including the hit sound. And so, guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.